it's almost afternoon. Morning thing.
Good morning.
So hopefully the sound is going to be okay on this because I think I have the right cord for this microphone now. So we'll see. If not, I'll turn it up. We are almost ready to leave the house. It is almost noon. It's 11:30. It's going to be a short day. I just want to knock off enough of this that I can either get there tomorrow or get close. Because my appointment is for 9 a.m. on Tuesday. Obviously, this is where we went the last time we left the house, so it's possible that if we get there and park overnight, that they unload us early. I have a fuel stop. I doubt I'm going to make it. It's in Indiana. We'll probably have to call at some point for that. It's cold. It's dreary. It's foggy. Ugh. So we pretty much didn't do much. I got new glasses. No more duct tape. I also have sunglasses. I'll show you guys those at another point. Obviously, I'm not wearing them right now. It's not sunny. We went to Springfield. We saw First Man thing. What did you think of the movie?
It was a movie.
It was very good. It was very interesting. If you don't know what it's about Neil Armstrong and the moon launch. I got my GoPro in the mail. Thank you again, Vern, for that. Very much appreciate it. I have not got it all set up yet. It took me like 3 hours to finally get it reset and hooked to my phone yesterday. So I had to buy more storage, more memory cards. So I haven't gotten that all set up yet. I'm working on that. I want to use it primarily for outside shots, and this is going to be our basic camera right here. I think is what I want to do. I don't know. Other than that, I'm thinking that it's possible we're going to have to put this truck in the shop because it seems to have an air leak. A pretty decent one. I cannot find any obvious source of air leaking, though. So, I don't know. I have to go to Little Rock at some point in the next 2 weeks anyway. I have to get a new med card. I have to get my med card renewed. And I also have my 2-year review. Been with the company almost 2 years already. That's hard to believe, thing. 2 years.
Doesn't seem like it.
It doesn't seem like it. So I have to go to Little Rock at some point before we go home. Because Missouri is very strange. If you get a new med card, you have to take it directly to the DMV. They cannot do it over the computer. So we have to come back. We'll be back in 2 weeks. Yep. Anyway, it's going to be a short day. I would like to get across St. Louis, so I think is what I want to do. I have not decided yet. Are you ready to go, thing? Are we like, we restocked the fridge, we made lots of healthy, good food choices? Other than that, are we ready to go?
I think we're ready to go.
Alright, let's get rolling. short day. Yeah. I'm still working to figure out where I want to put the microphone. I think it's going to work there. I just need to get it secure. So we did do 250 miles, which knocked the trip down to 630. We have to fuel in Effingham tomorrow morning. Which is fine. We're in Greenville, Illinois. At the Loves. I'm just kind of brain dead today. It's just one of those days. Yep. Just one of those days. I don't know what's going to happen after this. I'll probably know tomorrow what our reload's going to be. Probably be one of the 2 loads that we did last time. I don't have a whole lot, except you guys need to slow down in St. Louis. People pass me doing 95 and a 60. Y'all crazy. Crazy people. And I don't know what's going on, like if something's going on in St. Louis tonight. Because there's an awful lot of traffic for Sunday afternoon. Thing.
Yes, dear.
What are we eating?
Food.
Food? Well, that's a good answer. I don't want to eat dirt. You know, food's good.
Well, that's food for something, I'm sure.
Worms. There's an awful lot of RVs out, too. Like, isn't it time for y'all to go home? What y'all doing in the cold part of the country? Well, the warm part of the country just got hit by a hurricane. That's probably what. Yeah, y'all need to go home. Just go home. RV season's over.
Not for some people.
Oh, I mean, yeah, there's plenty of people that, you know, live in their RVs year round, but it just seems like there's an awful lot of RVs out for October. Like I said this thing earlier, I think I've seen more RVs in the last, like, month than I did most of the summer season. There's a lot. Yeah, I don't know. Thing, are you ready to shut down for the night?
Yep.
I need to upload. Sorry about not uploading. I forgot. Oh well. I need to edit. Maybe. Yeah, I need to edit. I don't need to be lazy. I just want to go to bed. I'm tired. You got anything else, Thing?
Negative.
If you guys like the videos, make sure you're subscribing. Also, be sure that you hit that bell icon so that you get notified when new videos go up. Because I apparently, when I am home, cannot remember when I'm supposed to upload. Yeah. All the days blur together. You can also find me on Twitter. I'm at AshleyLax1. Come hang out with me because I'm awesome. I'm also on Instagram. Somebody reached out to me on Instagram today asking about the company. Which, if you guys ever have any questions about the company you're driving for them, feel free to ask me however you feel. Comments, Twitter, whatever. I'm always happy to answer questions. Yeah, other than that, say goodnight, Thing.
Good night, Thing.
Y'all have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow will be better.